Hey guys, so I want to share something with you. This morning I was on my iTunes on my iPhone and I was going through music, which I usually do, and I came across this very annoying alarm. Now, I won't judge it or bash it too much now, but I'm just gonna let you guys listen to it and you be the judge. Let me know if this would not be one of the most annoying sounds, phrases you can ever hear when you're not even out of bed first thing in the morning. Ready? Here we go.
Hello? Wake up! Get out of bed! Hello? 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 If you don't wake up right now, I'm gonna scream.
I think I'll get out of bed now.